It's done! It's done! We're done! It's done! Black Blizzard done! Complete! 100%! Yes! 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 No more Bloodbath being my hardest. This is... Yes! Oh my goodness! Alright. Okay. Boom. Here we go. Let's get the calculator out. Alright, so 8,399 plus 11,840. So my total attempt count is sorry, I'm freaking out. I cannot focus. Oh my goodness. Total attempts is 20,240. That is the most attempts I've spent on a level, and the grind is done. No more Black Blizzard. It's done. I'll be doing Yatagarasu as my next extreme demon to beat. Maybe I'll beat something in between before I do Yatagarasu, but let's see. Yeah. It's finally over. Finally.